The COVID-19 situation has surely played havoc in a lot of our lives. It has, brought so many problems into everybody's lives, be it health issues, be it financial issues, be it mental well-being issues. So we are all suffering in some way or the other. So today I thought I would talk to you a bit about how to handle stress or how to improve your mental well-being at this stressful times. So, since all of us are going through issues, health issues, COVID deaths, financial issues because of loss of jobs or reduced paychecks, I understand all of these are severely playing on our psyche and bringing us down, mentally to a very large extent. So, it is quite but natural to have mixed feelings or completely negative feelings like anger, despair, frustrations, hopelessness, or feeling of isolation. So complete depression is enveloping most people. Some of us are able to cope up with this stress in a positive manner, but there are a lot of our friends who are still suffering silently. They're unable to cope up with these issues. They don't know who to talk to or how to handle it. So first and foremost, I would like to tell people like you that you all are not alone. We are all going through a crisis together. So first of all, I think one should look for hope and resilience everywhere around you, in spite of all the unfavorable situations that you're going through. So according to me, and what I practice is belief in Almighty, a dive into spirituality, because these aspects have given me a larger perspective of life, a sense of acute belief and hope, and that hope for a better tomorrow, which should never die in any person. So when you have hope, you always have the strength and courage to face any adverse situation, because you understand that problems are never static. So problems come and go, just like there is light after dark, there is dawn after dusk. So that's the law of nature. So it's always a cycle, and one must understand that we can tide through any adverse situation. All it needs is to remain calm and remain positive and believe in yourself. And also, there are other things you could do, like you could eat well. First and foremost, eat well and eat nutritious so that you build your immunity. You could indulge in exercises, because they also help in keep. There are some things which I practice. These are being mindful of everything around you, watching what's coming, what's going, and analyzing every situation. So mindfulness, practicing meditations, yoga, pranayama. So these things definitely help me and will definitely help anybody to achieve a calm and positive state of mind. So there are some people who don't know who to talk to and who to vent out their feelings with. So sharing your problems is something that is very important at this stage in time. So you could approach your family members, your trusted friends, or if that is not possible, please approach counselors or emotional well-being support volunteers who are always around to help you. Be kind to yourself. Please love yourself first, and also please be kind and helpful to everybody around you, because when you help others, even though you are in trouble yourself, there is definitely going to be a very positive impact on your mind. So stay calm, stay positive, stay fit. Let's all tide through this together, and let's all be there for each other. Stay mentally and emotionally healthy. Thank you.